Guys, let us begin with type 3. आपको log 64 का वैल्यू ढूंढना है to the base 4. So we assume to be x. Second sum, log of 16 to the base 2. Log 1 by 9 to the base 3. And fourth one, log of 16 to the base half. So we need to find the value of log 64 to the base 4. We assume let the value of log 64 to the base 4 be x. Converting into the exponential form. तो 64 क्या बन जाएगा बेटा बोलो? 4 raised to x. 64 क्या होता है? 4 cube होता है. Now we'll write the statement equating power with same base. So we get 3 equals to x. Perfect. Similarly इधर भी हम लोग 16 क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 2 raised to x. 2 raised to 4 equals to 2 raised to x. Writing the same statement. मैं ब्लॉक बना देता हूँ, मतलब indicates you have to write the statement equating power with the same base. So 4 equals to x. Similarly, I can write 1 by 9 is equals to 3 raised to x. 1 upon 3 square equals to 3 raised to x. 3 raised to minus 2 equals to 3 raised to x. Again, we write down the statement equating power with the same base. X equals to minus 2. Same here. 16 is equals to half raised to x. 16 is 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to minus x. Equating power with the same base. Therefore x is minus. Take your time बेटा, आराम से go through करो ये सब. Please, I request you to go through all sums. Please go through all sums. And in fact, you can try the other sums on your own. Hope so you're getting it बेटा. बहुत easy, बहुत systematically और बहुत आराम से जाना है बेटा. Please make sure you understand this concept very, very, very well. ठीक है? Take your own time. Let me do next set of sums. Kindly pause video and try to do on your own and then look at the solution. Writing down the question, I want you to attempt on your own. So please pause video and try to solve on your own. Question 2K now starts. Perfect बेटा. चलो. I can write 100 is equals to 1 by 10 raised to x बेटा. इधर गया, ये पावर में गया. 100 is 10 square. 10 raised to minus x. We write the statement equating power with the same base. Therefore, minus x is 2, x is minus 2. Perfect. 1 by 64 equals to 4 raised to x. 1 upon 4 cube is equals to 4 raised to x. 4 raised to minus 3 equals to 4 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. Sixteen is x raised to 4. ठीक है? Taking fourth root on both the side. Taking fourth root on both the side. This is square root लेते हैं वैसे. Taking fourth root on both sides. Therefore x will become, listen carefully बेटा, फोर्थ रूट लिया है, ठीक है, तो 4 will become 1/4. ठीक है बेटा. Similarly 1/27 is equals to x cube. Taking cube root on both the sides बेटा, taking cube root on both the sides. Take your time and go through all sums. Very easy and very interesting sums. So we are learning ABC, मतलब very basics of this chapter, okay, which will be very very helpful going ahead. So kindly pause video and try to solve on your own. Unless you solve it, you will never gain confidence. You must have heard saying that you have to practice better. Unless you practice, you will never ever gain that confidence. And I want, by solving only, you will gain that confidence. So please pause video and try to solve on your own. No point just listening or hopping down. Understand the concept and then apply on your own. Question 2 का third. Log of 1/343 to the base x is -3. Log of 0.1 to the base x is -1. Log of 8 to the base x is 6. Log of 10 to the base x is, converting log to exponential form beta. 1/343 is equals to x raised to -3. 1/343 is equals to 1 upon x cube beta. Therefore x cube equals to 343. Taking cube root on both the sides, क्या लिखोगे बेटा? Taking cube root on both sides. For x is 343, power में 1/3. X is 7. 0.1 is equals to x raised to -1. 1/10 is equals to 1/x. Therefore x is 10. 8 is x raised to 6. ठीक है? Taking 6th root on both the side. Taking 6th root on both the side. Therefore x क्या होगा? Taking 6th root क्या होगा? पावर जब एक साइड से दूसरे साइड जाता है become reciprocal. 2 raised to half को कैसे लिख सकता है? स्क्वायर रूट. 10 is x raised to half. Squaring on both the sides. या फिर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, पावर when it goes from one side to another side become reciprocal. तो 2 हो जाएगा. Please go through all sums very diligently और खुद ट्राई करो बेटा. I insist you try sums on your own. I insist you try sums on your own, guys. Kindly pause video and then solve on your own. Just check it out. Any sum you're not getting it. More you solve, more confident you become. And that is what I want. 3 more sums of this type. 7th. Log of root 3 to the base बेटा √5 को मैं 5½ लिख सकता हूँ. Please go through this, sir. But generally, log of negative number does not exist. Okay, please understand. Log of negative number does not exist. But that's why we generally take positive root only. But here -10 is also valid answer because अगर आप -10 ये square root में ये equation में डालते भी हो तो -10 का square root become 100. ठीक है, plus 100. So it doesn't bother. So here I can consider x as plus minus. But remember one small thing that log of negative number does not exist. चलो I'm waiting. Go through type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 में हम लोगों ने किया था to convert exponential to log form. Type 2 में किया था हम लोगों ने log to exponential form. And in type 3 we used that concept of converting log to exponential form and we found the value of x. Hope so you are comfortable बेटा, आपको समझ में आ रहा है. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट तक आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, हाउ इट इज गोइंग. ओके, एनी डाउट बी फ्री टू मैसेज मी, टू कॉल मी, बट मेक श्योर you try to solve on your own. ठीक है, now you may pause video, you can go through type 1, type 2, type 3 and I'll start with type 4 now.